All right, so today is July 9th, 2024. Um, the market opens in about 36 minutes. I do have my value area low, point of control, and value area high from yesterday. Today looks like the market's not really doing much. We do have some volume down here, but it's very low. Price didn't move away from it. Unlike here, where we did have volume and price moved away, right here, price moved away. And as we're going into the open, and then we bounced off of it and bounced even higher. Um, that came in around 14:30, so about near power hour. It touched it, it kissed it right before power hour, it bounced and then moved higher. I missed this opportunity, wasn't in front of the charts, and also didn't have this drawn because when I did do my market analysis, the market was looking like maybe like this. So it didn't look very significant to me because we never cleared this high. Um, but then when we did clear it, I wasn't focusing on that level. I did try to take a long somewhere around here. I got out for break even, and then price just dropped, went to that level, and then bounced. That double bottom, and then bounce. Right, so now we're higher, but there are no true volume that I can trust right now. The 3 o'clock looks very bland. Um, like I said, the one from yesterday was probably the best level. We bounced off of it on NQ. That was around the 10:30. This is when I had got into the trade. I was hoping NQ did all of this move, but ES was nerfed at this 56.30 level. It would not go above it, but NQ was really moving, and then we had a strong reversal on NQ, and that's when ES dropped. VIX, I don't know what in the world VIX is doing. Right now we can just say it's going down. VIX was going up, I believe, at that time, while ES was going. What I wanted ES to go down, up, and then VIX was going down while ES was going down. So it's not really in sync as it should be as of late. So what am I looking for? I don't have really a clue. I'm not even gonna lie. I can't figure out any clear levels. I'm gonna keep this area still here. Um, I don't have anything at the highs that I can really work with. So I'm going to look for. What I'm going to do is look for value area high and low, and also settlement prices. So once again, we do have Powell speaking. We have Mike Burr at 9:15. Not sure who that is, and then we have Michelle Bowman at 1:30. It shows it here a little clearer. Here goes Yellen. Where is she? Right here. We have Yellen, and then Powell also at the same time, and then these two individuals speaking. So it's a little Fed heavy also here for tomorrow. It's very Fed heavy. So these two might be very tough. Thursdays and Fridays might be clearer days to trade. Still do have some Fed speakers on Thursday. And that's pretty much it as far as news. So the 10 o'clock is going to be something that most people will be looking for to see what happens. I might just be not. I might just be on the sideline for the most part. So let's get into settlement price. I'm going to be very short and quick with these levels that I have. Like I said, I don't have much that I can really trust. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at with the day. So let's see, settlement price 15. So about here, let's get this, that, and set. Go. Kind of awkward spot for a settlement price. Is this correct? July, last updated July 8th. Yeah, that is correct. 5625 25. Close here. Let's go into the 5 minute real quick. 5 minute. Interesting and interesting area for a settlement price. We thought it'd be a little closer to the close of this candle up here or here, but it's an interesting spot. So we're gonna look more into that in a bit. Let's get NQ's settlement price. Just prefacing the line chart. Up. Okay. While that is loading, let's get this into yes. We'll do NQ since we have our NQ open already. I can close these out. Alright, so 26,595. There we go. Alright, so same thing, looking like just like ES, just a little higher. Alright, let's go into ADR levels. Let's duplicate that one. And then must have added the line chart by mistake. Close this out. Take your sweet time. Wow, they're pretty thin. Alright. $25,550 and 20. Oh, that's not no space here. 25,495. Not a lot of space. So it's like right there. Do I have two here? Only one. Okay. Let's just grab this one. May not even be worth adding these. 28,1175 and 28,1250. And let's make that pink. Okay. There it is. Alright, let's go to ES. Okay, so ES looks a little better. They have more body to them. Let's get this one. Copy. So we have 56,0575 and 56,05. Not really much of a difference though as far as separation in space. 5650. 5650 75. Alright, there we go. What's the range of this? It's about 42 points. Alright, we're above value area high. Alright, so those are my levels. Let's close this out. Alright, now what in the world is VIX doing? VIX opened up around here. So we can in a sense say that's downtrending, but unclear. All right, we do have a level that can be reached down here for a gap to be filled. Probably what I am looking for. I'm going to add an alert right here. And then add an alert right before it. Alright, so those are my alerts. So hopefully we get a bounce here. If not, a bounce down here for sure would be great. Nothing's guaranteed. Other than that, I have no idea what this is doing. I'm going to keep this level here and that one right here as well. Alright, so if we go to the Hikinashi level for this level here for the settlement with this long thick body candle, alright, that's a good amount of move, about good 10, about a good 10 points. Alright, so looking for an entry area in that. I don't really have one. Maybe this, but when it's a wick like that, I usually take the whole thing. So I'm gonna just have to pretty much gauge. Let me look into the 5-minute. Let's see what the 5-minute is offering us inside of this 30-minute. Because if I take, yeah, maybe that would settle that. If I take this and put it here like that, all right, it does match up with the 30-minute. I mean the 5-minute. That's what I was thinking about last night. We have this strong volume here, so, and it matches also with this volume weighted average price VWAP. So I'll leave this here. It's probably an area I would like to see price come down to. I'm gonna create an alert, and I can create one actually at the point of control. All right, and then for NQ, it's relatively the same thing. Volume here, same, yep, same exact idea as far as what the Hikinashi is offering. Except for the VWAP is a little lower. Alright, but this area here might be an area where price bounces. So these are my levels. I don't have much. Let me set an alert, same way I did with that. My trades are likely gonna become heavy. We'll probably lean more on how ES and NQ behave. But yesterday, like I said, ES was not moving while NQ was basically moving higher. And then when NQ shifted to go lower, that's when ES finally moved. And then at the end is when we got the bounce with ES and then Q following suit. So it was like a headache right here with that trade. Alright, so that's it for me for today. I'm glad that I do the pre-market setups at night, so this saves me about 15 minutes. So yeah, I'll be back for after market, post market review. If I do take any trades, if I don't take any trades, I'll still be back. All right.